Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds the contacts you need. Once signed in, open Google Contacts on desktop or use the mobile app's account settings. This ensures you access the right dataset. From Contacts, go to Settings and choose Export. Pick CSV for Excel or vCard for phones. This is the file you'll download. Download immediately and note where it saves. Make sure you pick the correct account before moving on. Once you have the exported file, import it into the device or service you want. If you're moving to another Google account, open Contacts and use Import, selecting the CSV or vCard you exported. For Android devices, add the Google account under Accounts and enable Contacts sync so entries merge automatically. For iPhone, import the vCard into iCloud or add the Google account under Settings, Passwords, and Accounts and enable Contacts. This guarantees ongoing sync rather than a one-time copy. To finish, verify that all contacts appear and that key fields merged correctly. Use Contacts Merge and Fix to resolve duplicates and confirm phone numbers and emails are intact. If entries are missing, re-export using the alternate format, CSV versus vCard, and re-import because some apps interpret fields differently. If sync stalls, force a manual sync on the device or refresh the Contacts web page. This usually resolves timing issues. If problems persist, repeat export/import with smaller batches to isolate bad records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.